Struggling to focus while studying? Let white noise be your secret weapon. It creates a consistent sound that drowns out distractions. No more car horns, loud conversations, or random notifications pulling your attention away. Your brain stays locked in, letting you concentrate longer and retain more. Studies show white noise can actually improve memory and productivity. Whether it's the sound of rain, a fan, or soft static, it's like giving your mind a clean workspace. Try adding white noise to your next study session. You might be surprised how much deeper you can focus.